When it comes to 5G, knowing where your nearest cell tower is located is essential to getting the fastest speeds. The free weBoost app for iOS and Android is here to help. Optimized to download and run in areas with weak cell signal coverage, the app includes a cell tower locator. After a few seconds, the compass will point you towards your nearest cell tower. When installing a cell signal booster to improve your carrier network, you can use this information to point the outside antenna at the closest tower. If your booster kit includes a directional antenna, make sure to point it at the tower. Get help with installation by following the step-by-step instructions and videos that show you what to do. Then, get before and after readings to see how much your signal strength has improved. Download the app now.